exercise 16, enter unplanned delivery cost. Task 1, enter an invoice with unplanned delivery cost. In the following invoice, additional costs are calculated for the special packing of the material from the supplier. The packaging costs were not planned beforehand in the purchase order, and they should be divided proportionally among both materials. To enter this invoice, use Create Supplier Invoice app. Create Supplier Invoice app. Good, we will see this message later. We have the flag gasket and the packing gasket. We are going to change 50 pieces, okay. Here, enter the basic data and allocate the invoice. Enter the unplanned packing cost. So the unplanned packing costs are here, 440, and the tax code 10%, 644. We are going to check. Good, we have warning messages, quantity invoice greater and quantity invoice smaller than the good receipt. That's another subject. And I think we have two questions here. What does the way in which the system post unplanned delivery cost depends on? I think it's the customizing. Let's see here. For each company code, you configure whether the unplanned delivery costs are distributed to the invoice item or whether they are posted in separate posting line. You can find these settings here. Material management, logistic, invoice verification, incoming invoice, and here configure how unplanned delivery costs are posted. For our company 1010, we have here distribute among invoice item, and the other choice are distribute among invoice item including planned delivery cost or in different general ledger line. Okay, I'm not going to change this point. And back here. And the second question is here, what is the ratio that the system uses to apportion the delivery cost? How is the ratio determined? A look at the PO history can help to answer this question. Okay, so the system apportions the unplanned delivery cost to the item in proportion to the total value invoiced so far and the value in the current invoice. To display the PO history for a line, click View in the corresponding history column. Note that in the item 20, so here in the View History, item 20, 5,000 has already been invoiced. The current invoice is for another 5,000. Therefore, the total is 10,000 euro. Okay, and in item 30 here, Nothing has been invoiced yet. Yes. And the current invoice is €1,000. This result is the ratio 10:1 for the distribution of the unplanned delivery cost. Good. Now we are going to simulate. Check is okay. Simulate. So here we have the supplier account, the good receipt, 20 and 30, packing gasket. This is the unplanned delivery cost, and the input taxes. Good. Simulate the invoice and filling the table, post the invoice and not the number. So we're good. The number is this one. Nope. Display supplier invoice advanced. This one. And go to the PO history. So in the PO history here, we have for the item 20, 100 pieces, 5,000. This is for the material in the good receipt. And invoiced, this is the price of the packing cost. And also for the item 30, we have here the cost for 50 pieces in the good receipt is €1,000, and with the packing is 1,027.5. Are there unplanned costs displayed? They are included, as we see in the customizing, in the item. We have no separate line just for the unplanned cost. Okay. So the task 2, enter an invoice with unplanned delivery cost only. A freight forwarder send the following invoice for unplanned delivery cost. To enter the invoice, use create supplier invoice advanced. So here the mirror. Enter the invoice as a subsequent debit due to unplanned delivery cost. The delivery cost refers to all the PO item. First enter the basic data and allocate the invoice. So subsequent debit. Today. $18. And the invoice. Okay, refers to all items. So here select all the items. Note that the invoicing party is different to the supplier from the PO. Enter the different invoicing party. So here 399 for the unplanned delivery cost. So we are going to change it in the detail. Here, this comes from the purchase order. And here, unplanned delivery cost 180. Under what condition you can post an invoice for delivery cost using only unplanned delivery cost? The condition is that we should have already invoiced this purchase order, and then we can post the delivery cost using the only unplanned delivery cost. Okay, now here we are going to check it if it is okay for the balance. Account has been changed, dependent data will be initialized. That's for the supplier, different supplier. Continue, the balance is okay. Simulate the posting and filling the table. So here, simulate. We have the supplier account, good receipt, our item 1, 2, 3. Let's see what says the here, and the input taxes. Okay, the system apportions unplanned delivery cost in the ratio of the value invoiced so far. Okay, you can see the value at a glance in the PO structure. Good. The system split the 30 euro for the first item because only half of the quantity to be debited has been delivered. For this reason, 15 euro is posted in the good receipt clearing account and 15 to the stock amount here. This is partially delivered for the item 10. Good. Choose post a message display the document number. Okay, we can post, and the invoice was posted. That's it for this one.